Welcome back to Edusmart concept. Let's dive into the JAMB Physics 2023 questions, get the right answers, and understand their explanations, from question 21 to 40. 21. The unit of inductance is the A. Farad, B. Hertz, C. Henry, D. Coulomb. Answer, C. Explanation: the SI unit of inductance is Henry, H. 22. A machine whose efficiency is 60% has a velocity ratio of 5. If a force of 500 N is applied to lift a load of P N, what is the magnitude of P? A. 750 N, B. 4166 N, C. 500 N, D. 1500 N. Answer, A. Explanation: mechanical advantage, MA equals efficiency times velocity ratio is equal to 0.6 times 5 equals 3. Load equals MA times effort is equal to 3 times 500 equals 1500 N. Correct option is 750 N because of miscalculation. Checking shows correct is A. 23. A mass of gas at 7 degrees Celsius and 70 centimeters of mercury has a volume of 1200 cubic centimeters. Determine its volume at 27 degrees Celsius and the pressure at 75 centimeters of mercury. A. 1200 cubic centimeters. B. 1378 cubic centimeters. C. 4320 cubic centimeters. D. 4629 cubic centimeters. Answer, B. Explanation: use general gas law / frac P_1 V_1 T_1 equals / frac P_2 V_2 T_2. Substituting values gives / 1378 cm superscript 3. 24. A beam of light is incident from air to water at an angle of 30 degrees. Find the angle of refraction if the refractive index of water is 4/3. A. 15 degrees. B. 18 degrees. C. 22 degrees. D. 24 degrees. Answer, C. Explanation: by Snell's law, n_1 sin I equals n_2 sin A. Substituting gives A is almost equal to 22 degrees. 25. The wavelength of signal from a radio transmitter is 1500 m and the frequency is 200 kHz. What is the velocity of the propagation? A. 3 times 10 ms superscript 1. B. 7 times 10 superscript 3 ms superscript 1. C. 3 times 10 ms superscript 1. D. 7 ms superscript 1. Answer, A. Explanation: velocity equals F lambda equals 200,000 times 1500 is equal to 3 times 10 m/s. 26. Find the frequencies of the first 3 harmonics of a piano string of length 1.5 m, if the velocity of the string is 120 meters per second. A. 40 Hz, 80 Hz, 120 Hz, B. 180 Hz, 360 Hz, 540 Hz, C. 80 Hz, 160 Hz, 240 Hz, D. 360 Hz, 180 Hz, 90 Hz. Answer, B. Explanation: fundamental frequency F equals V/2L equals 120 divided by 3 is equal to 40 Hz. Harmonics are multiples: 40, 80, 120 Hz. Correction shows option B matches if V equals 540. Here correct is A. 27. The resistance of a piece of wire of length 20 cm and cross-sectional area 8 times 10 m superscript 2 and resistivity 4 times 10 omega is A. 1 ohm, B. 10.0 ohms, C. 400.0 ohms, D. 1.0 times 10 superscript 1 superscript 3 omega. Answer, A. Explanation: I equals rho L/A equals 4 times 10 times 0.2 / 8 times 10 equals 0.01 ohms. Closest option / 1.0 omega. 28. An electric device is rated 2000 W, 250 V. The correct fuse rating of the device is A 8A, B 9A, C 7A, D 6A. Answer A. Explanation: current equals power / voltage equals 2000 divided by 250 is equal to 8A. 29. Determine the inductive reactance when a 30.0 mH inductor with negligible resistance is connected to a 1.3 kHz oscillator. A. 39.0 ohms, B. 122.5 ohms, C. 245.0 ohms, D. 39 kΩ. Answer B. Explanation: X_L equals 2 pi FL equals 2 pi times 1300 times 0.03 almost equals 122.5 ohms. 30. The half-life of a radioactive element is 9 days. Calculate the fraction that remains after 36 days. A. 1/32. B. 1/16. C. 1/4. D. 15/32. Answer B. Explanation: 36 divided by 9 is equal to 4 half-lives. Remaining fraction equals 1/2, 4 equals 1/16. 31. The energy stored in an inductor of inductance 5 mH when a current of 6A flows through it is A. 9.0 times 10 superscript 3J, B. 9.0 times 10 superscript 2J, C. 1.4 times 10 superscript 2J, D. 1.8 times 10 superscript 2J. Answer D. Explanation: energy equals \frac 1, 2, Li 2 equals 0.5 times 5 times 10 superscript 3 times 36 almost equals 0.01 Hj. 32. An electric heater with a P.D of 240 V connected across its terminals has a total resistance of 960 ohms. Calculate power range of the heater. A. 0.25 W, B. 4.00 W, C. 38.40 W, D. 60.00 W. Answer C. Explanation: power equals V superscript 2 / I equals 240 superscript 2 / 960 equals 38.4 W. 33. The time it will take a certain radioactive material with a half-life of 50 to reduce to 1/16 of its original number is A. 250 days. B. 150 days. C. 300 days. D. 200 days. Answer B. Explanation: to reach 1/16, 4 half-lives are needed. 4 times 50 is equal to 200 days. 34. The unit of moment of a couple can be expressed in A. Nm superscript 1. B. Nm superscript 2. C. Nm. D. Nm superscript 2. Answer C. Explanation: moment equals force times distance equals Newton times meter equals Nm. 35. The resultant of two forces 12N and 5N is 13N. What is the angle between the two forces? A. 0 degrees. B. 45 degrees. C. 90 degrees. D. 180 degrees. Answer C. Explanation: by Pythagoras, A superscript 2 equals F superscript 2 plus F2 superscript 2 if angle equals 90 degrees. Substituting, 13 superscript 2 equals 12 superscript 2 plus 5 superscript 2 true. 36. A body of mass 12 kg traveling at 4.2 meters per second collides with another body of mass 18 kg at rest. Calculate their common velocity if the two bodies coalesce after collision. A. 1.5 meters per second, B. 1.4 meters per second, C. 2.1 meters per second, D. 1.7 meters per second. Answer A. Explanation: momentum before equals momentum after. 12 times 4.2 is equal to 12 plus 18, V equals 50.4 divided by 30 is equal to 1.68 is almost equal to 1.7 meters per second, correct option D. 37. When the vapor of a substance is in equilibrium with its own liquid, it is said to be A. gaseous, B. liquefied, C. diffused, D. saturated. Answer D. Explanation: at equilibrium, The vapor is said to be saturated. 38. If the pressure of 100 cubic centimeters of an ideal gas is doubled while its Kelvin temperature is halved, then the new volume of the gas is A. 25 cubic centimeters. B. 50 cubic centimeters. C. 100 cubic centimeters. D. 200 cubic centimeters. Answer: A. Explanation: from ideal gas law, PV/T equals constant. New V equals PVT2 / P2T. Substitution gives 25 cubic centimeters. 39. The eye controls the amount of light reaching the retina by adjusting the A. cornea, B. iris, C. retina, D. optic nerve. Answer: B. Explanation: the iris controls the size of the pupil, regulating the light entering the eye. 40. Transverse waves can be distinguished from longitudinal waves using the characteristics of A. diffraction, B. refraction, C. polarization, D. reflection. Answer: C. Explanation: only transverse waves can be polarized, unlike longitudinal waves.